Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we are going to do our unboxing and our review of the Haylou Solar Lite 2 smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product from Haylou, and then this is their Solar Lite 2 smartwatch. So at the back guys, so you have here the quick specifications. It has 1.43-inch AMOLED display, Bluetooth call, and 180 professional water resistance, voice assistant, 150 workout modes, and always on display. So without further ado guys, let's see what's inside. Okay, we have here the watch itself. So let's put this one aside. Okay, and we also have here the manual, Haylou Solar Lite 2 smartwatch. So if you have any questions, you can actually just refer to your manual. Okay, and we have here the charging pins. Okay, it's in here. Okay, so let's take our Haylou Solar Lite 2. So this is again guys, it's 1.43-inch AMOLED display, and as you can see at the back guys, we have here the solar or the sensors. Okay, and we have here two buttons. Okay, as you can see, this one, and on the left we have here the speaker grill and also the strap. So let's turn it on guys. So it says there Haylou. I really like also Haylou's product because they're really durable. Yes, and okay, we have here the, let's check. Okay, when you when you swipe down, so there's shortcut, and then swipe up, you have here the different kinds of messaging as well. And when you swipe to the left, you have here the widgets. Okay, so let's check the features. So we have here activity. Okay, it will track your steps and also your heart rate. So it will actually, light up when you're using. And also it can detect if you're not wearing your watch properly. Sleep monitor, blood oxygen, stress, workout, phone call, notifications, workout records, breathe, weather, voice assistant, music, alarm, calendar, timer, stopwatch. You also have here the calculator, find phone, camera remote, SOS, and for the settings, you have here the watch face, screen time, date, vibration, language, QR code, battery saving, DND mode, or do not disturb mode there. So guys, if you have any questions on how to connect this one, you can actually just download the Haylou Fun application and you're good to go. Alright, and then we have here the shortcuts above. And guys, to tell you, I've actually used this one guys for a week already, and what I really like, it's because since it is AMOLED, the display is really bright even if you are outside. Can you see that one? It looks really great, and when you look at it, it really looks and feels premium, but with the affordable price, you can't be wrong with Haylou smartwatch. And what thing I like also, it's because it has the always on display. So whenever you just want to look at the watch from time to time, then you don't have to turn it on, or I mean you don't have to touch it, but so the always on display, it's just there. And another thing is the battery. So the battery is also great guys. You can actually use this one for actually a week, and it's really enough for a smartwatch. So if you are planning to buy a smartwatch that is affordable and at the same time has the quality and also good features, then this Haylou Solar Lite 2 is for you. So if you're interested guys, you can actually check that one here, our YouTube link. It's in here. It's kind of the basket there, so for you to check them out. And yes, I'm gonna give this 9 over 10 for the Haylou's Solar Lite 2 smartwatch. And What else, guys? If you, by the way, if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel and let me know about your thoughts of this Haylou Solar Lite 2. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.